Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Journey side mirror. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a Torx T30 bit, and an 8mm socket or wrench. Additionally, a set of plastic panel removal tools will be incredibly helpful to carefully pry components without causing damage. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Now let's tackle the inner door panel. First, use your plastic pry tool to carefully remove the small trim pieces behind the door handle and within the armrest well. Next, remove the Phillips head screw behind the door handle and the Torx T30 bolt from the armrest well. With these fasteners out, gently pry the entire door panel away from the door frame, releasing the 9 or so retaining clips. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable before setting the panel aside. With the door panel removed, we can now access the mirror. You'll see a small triangular plastic cover on the inside of the door, near where the mirror mounts. Carefully pry this off. Beneath it, you'll find 3 8mm bolts securing the mirror assembly. Remove these bolts, noting that one might be concealed under a rubber seal. Then, disconnect the electrical wiring harness by pressing its release tab. It's a good idea to have a friend hold the mirror from the outside to prevent it from falling as you remove the last bolt. Reinstalling your new or repaired side mirror is simply the reverse of these steps. Make sure all electrical connectors are firmly reattached before you fully secure anything. It's a smart idea to test the mirror's functionality, including power adjustments and heating if applicable, before completely reassembling the door panel. Double-check that all screws and clips are properly fastened for a secure fit. Taking your time will ensure a successful and lasting repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.